Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial of making our Pong game in Flowlab, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the ball accelerate over time. So let's click on the ball, go to Edit, Behaviors. We're going to need to add this new code to the movement of the ball. So if you bundled yours up like I did, go ahead and open the bundle. There we are. We want to come up here to Triggers and add in a timer. And let's drag that up here. Click on the timer, and I want to point out right up here at the top that this number here, this 10, it's measured in 1/10 of a second. So that number 10 actually means 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 50. So that means every 5 seconds something is going to happen. It's going to basically accelerate. Let's turn on repeat forever and OK. All right, now we're going to go ahead and go to Logic and Math. We're going to go to Number, and we're going to add 2 number blocks. So make sure you click that twice, and they appear here in the middle and on top of each other. Let's drag them over here. And there we go. All right, so now let's connect the out dot to the in dot. There we go, make it a little easier to see. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this top one here, and the label is going to be accelerate. Okay, so this is going to speed up, and I'm going to add a value of 1. So that way every 5 seconds it's going to get faster by 1. This one is going to be the opposite. It's going to be decelerate. And this one is going to be a value of -1. Okay, good. So now what I'm going to do is on the accelerate block, I'm going to go ahead and connect the out. It's going to feed into this positive number. It's going to be going into the maximum on the x-axis. Okay, and then it's also going to feed into the little positive spot on the maximum for the y-axis. This one, the decelerate, is going to go from the out, and it's going to feed into the positive dot on the minimum number. So it's hooking up negative number to another negative number. And then it's going to hook up one more time down here for the y-axis. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spread these out just a little bit so it's hopefully easier for all of you to see. There we go. And I'll bring the velocity back. Okay, so hopefully that's easy enough for you to see. I highly encourage you to pause the video, leave it right there, and duplicate this. Maybe take a screenshot if you need to. Now this is where you can go ahead and I can move this entire thing. You can press play while you're here. And after 5 seconds, we should see, there we go. So after 5 seconds, you'll see that this timer starts lighting up and it is activating. So it is working. You can see over here that the numbers are basically growing. The minimum and the maximums are going. So it's going to get harder and harder and more difficult. So again, I'm going to pause it. There we go. So this is where you have to decide, do you really want to start with a base value of 12? I could take this and I could bring it down to 10, which is what I think I'm going to do. So yeah, so just go over here, bring down all of your numbers. Oops. There we go. That way you can give the player a chance to catch up. There we go, something like that. Okay, I hope this helped you out, and I will see you in the next video.